Today, we're going to unbox and review one of my favorite wrestlers of all time. And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review from Mattel Ultimate Edition Stone Cold Steve Austin. This is the first Mattel Ultimate WWE action figure I've unboxed, so I have no idea how this is going to go. I don't even know how to open a box. It's shaped oddly. You can see it's cut here and cut there. I'm assuming I cut the tape here, and we'll get her open and check out Stone Cold Steve Austin. Take a look at the packaging. Really nice. Front, got the open window. Where's our age? 8 plus, 8 and over. Okay, got a good picture of Steve Austin right there. On this side it just says Ultimate Edition, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Bottom, we've got your warnings and copyrights. Does have a date on there, 2023, Mattel. There's your back. Got a picture of the action figure and then a actual photo of Steve Austin, in case anybody wants to see that. We'll get 3 heads with this Stone Cold Steve Austin. Let's get her open. We'll cut there. Cut there. I try to be careful, as if you watched my channel before, I repackage all my action figures. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to get him out and repackage him. Okay, it just swings open. I like it. That's nice. So it just opens up like a door, and there he is. Huh. Cool. Maybe the easiest packaging I've seen yet. Alright. Empty box. Nothing on the back. That's kind of disappointing. Just red. We'll set that to the side. And here he is in this plastic case. Just one layer of plastic on this. Well, let's get these accessories out. Let's see, they do have, and I love when they do this, they put that cap on there to hold your accessories in. And look here first, we've got a shirt. How's that? Austin 316. We got the skull on the back. If you didn't have one of those shirts when you was a kid, you wasn't cool. But he actually got me back into wrestling. I quit wrestling for a long time. You know, you get into that chasing girls stage and getting a job and having kids, and next thing you know, you're not watching wrestling anymore until Stone Cold Steve Austin comes out. Let's see. Here, he's got a ball cap. Nice. Leather vest. And it has plastic in there to hold it together so it doesn't collapse on you. That's cool. That's actually just made out of a plastic or a rubber. Yep, Stone Cold on the back, Austin 316 on the front. That is awesome. I like that a lot. There we go. Slides up, and of course, you gotta have a microphone for Stone Cold. WWE microphone. Alright, glasses back down. We got hands. We got 2 pointers. Yep. Well, on this, they actually got the wrong finger up. If you're a fan of Stone Cold Steve Austin, you know what finger he usually throws up, but oh well. And here we've got a fist, a right fist. And then we're going to have a left fist. so he can beat up on Vince McMahon. And last but not least, of course, this beautiful thing right here. We got a championship belt. Nah, awesome. I like that belt too. Oh, I had it upside down. That's when the belt was really cool. Before John Cena got a hold of it. Get our heads out. Set them right here. And get our trusty scissors. I've got to be careful. Last video I made, I cut my finger, my little pinky finger here, with a pair of scissors. So, got to be careful. Right here under his necklace. Okay, I got the one wrist. Having trouble with these ankles. Holy cow. Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. Don't be shy. Boy, this is kind of ridiculous. Alright, we got them. Keep all our packaging. Set that to the side. Get all our ties moved over. And let's take a look at him. So here he is. Steve Austin. Looks really good. Face sculpt isn't bad, but not right on. Not right on. Comes with this big necklace. I guess you could pop his head off, take that necklace off, or heck, you might not even have to take the head off. He's got Texas tattoo right there on his shin. No other tattoos. I guess Steve Austin didn't have any other tattoos. Got his knee brace on. That looks really good. Let's check out articulation. I'm going to get a good look at that head. I didn't like that head too much. It's alright. He can look down a bit. Can look up a lot. Let's see. Okay, he's just on a ball joint there. He has no lower neck movement. Shoulders, look at that. That is a ton of movement. So he's got two ways his shoulders can move. He's got right in here and then back. That's a lot of movement. You got, let's see, that does spin all the way around. Oh, did his head go? Yep, head goes all the way around. Shoulder goes all the way around. Upper arm goes all the way around. Elbow does not go all the way around, but it is double jointed. Wait a minute. Yep, it is double jointed, but I cannot get that second joint to bend. We got that one broke free. So look at that movement. I mean, he's all the way back here scratching his back. So that's great elbow. Double jointed elbows, wrists. They don't go up and down, but they do go in and out. Arms all the way around. Waist. Oh, we got this ab crunch here, and that's a lot of movement on that ab crunch. Look at that. Ton of movement. I do like that. Waist goes all the way around. He does not have really a hula hoop. Legs, he can do the splits really well. He can do the straddles kind of, but his trunks kind of stop that back leg from going back too far. We've got, so believe it or not, these elbows are pinless. Just noticing that. If you look there, no pins in that elbow. So that's really cool. But you do have pins in the knees, if you see that pinhole right there with the pin running through it. Are they double jointed? Yes, double jointed knees, so you're going to get a lot of movement. His knees are not nearly as tight as his elbows was. Even the one with the brace has a lot of movement. Your knee pads are going to come down a little bit, so you're going to have to keep moving them up. Ankles all the way around, upper boot cut ankle all the way around. Oh, look here, we got toe articulation. How about that? That's great. Toe can go up. Toe can go down. You don't get that often in action figures. Can he pirouette? Boy, if he can. Not very easy. I don't like these ankles here. Seems like they're out of socket there. Look at that. That's not very good. Are all the Ultimates like that? Got a little bit of a rock, goes back and forth. Yeah, I'm not sure about these ankles. Okay, he can bring that all the way down. So he is going to be able to pirouette. Do, 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 do. He can pirouette. A lot of movement on the ankles, but man, that gap in there. Just a big gap. I don't know if you can see that or not. Man. That's kind of disappointing in the feet, but other than that, looks really good. So this head sculpt, he's got his mouth open, got those pearly whites showing. Bit of a condescending look. Check this other head here. He's mouth closed. He's finally letting somebody get a word in edgewise. And here we have, yeah, here's the laughing one. Here he's making fun of Vince McMahon right there. Look at that. I think I like this one the best out of all the head sculpts. This is my favorite one. Let's get this head off. Oh, pops off nice and easy. Let's get this chain off. I'm not a fan of this chain. Let's get this head on. All right, I got it. Got it on. Whew. That's rough. It's scary. There he is with that face. It's kind of wobbly, but yeah, I can live with it. So I like it. I just wish, I know Mattel's not going to do it, but if we could get that middle finger, that would have been really good. I'm sure we can probably find one in another line that's not Mattel that will give you that. But there you go, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Awesome articulation. Ankles don't like. I'm curious. I do have an Ultimate Warrior Mattel Ultimate series, and I'm going to open that up and see if his ankles are like that one. I just can't get over that. That's all I see right now is that. Looks like he's got a prosthetic. I like it. But until next time, oh.